Hello students, welcome back to my channel Learn with BB. In my previous two videos, I have explained honeycombs chapter 1, the 3 question, and I have discussed part 1's comprehension check. Now, today I am going to tell the answers of comprehension check of part 2 and working with the text. So quickly take out page number 14. Let's start. See in comprehension check page number 14, one question is there. You have to complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate part which is given below in the box. So now number 1. Many wise men answered the king's questions. What will be the answer? The answer will be, but the answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Now come to number 2. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. The answer will be to help the king act at the right time. Number 3. Someone suggested that the king should have a timetable. And answer will be and follow it strictly. Now number 4, the king requested the hermit. Answer will be to answer 3 questions. And last, number 5, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. Answer will be, but the bleeding would not stop. Now come to working with the text, page number 14. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Its answer will be, the king was advised to go to magicians because some said that in order to decide the right time for doing something urgent, it was necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. Now, number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer. In answer to the second question, some said his counselors, others said his priest, few others said his doctors, and yet others said his soldiers would be important to the king. Now come to number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Answer. In answer to the third question, that is the most important thing, some said science, others chose fighting, yet others religious worship. Now come to question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Answer. No, the wise men did not win the reward because the king was not satisfied with the answers. Question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer. The king and the hermit helped the wounded man by dressing his wounds until it stopped bleeding, and they took him inside the hut and gave him water to drink when he felt better. Now in question number 6, two parts are there. The question 6, question 1. Who was the bearded man? Answer. The bearded man was the king's enemy who wanted to take revenge for putting his brother to death and seizing his property. Question number 6, part 2. Why did he ask for king's forgiveness? He asked for king's forgiveness because he was saved by the very person whose life he wanted to take. Question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer. To show his forgiveness, he sent his servants and his own doctor to look after him and gave back his property. Question number 8. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like best? So, answer. In answer to the first question, the hermit said that the most important time is now. You can add here, as no one knows the future. Okay. If you want, you can add. In answer to the second question, the hermit said that the most important person is the one whom you are with at that particular time. In answer to the third question, the hermit said that the most important thing is to do good to that particular person whom you are with at that time. Okay, now see here part 2 means next part of the question. Which answer do you like the best? I have not written here the answer because the answer may vary. So you can write your own answer. And with this we have completed the chapter 1. So now in my next video we'll explain the next chapter from honeycomb. So till then, stay tuned and watch the previous videos and subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.